Hey guys, welcome back to Kendi Beauty. So today we're going to be swatching and testing out the new Natasha Denona mini Triochrome palette. This looked very interesting online, so I am hoping that it is as good as anticipated. Plus, you know, it was only $27. I love the chrome packaging. Again, I'm really excited to dive right into this palette. All right, so let's go ahead and do some swatches. Whew, okay. She's fierce. She is fierce. I know that's like the shade everybody is waiting to see. Okay, so here's some up-close swatches. I am not the best with swatches, but the true test will be to put this on our eyes. So let's go ahead and create a look. Okay, so there's not a whole lot of options with this palette, obviously. So I think I'm gonna start out with this shade right here. And I'm just gonna dust that all over. Not really in love with the way this is blending out so far, but I mean, we will, yeah. I'm kind of really having to work to make this blend, which not really liking. Shouldn't be this hard with a Natasha Denona palette. Okay, I really don't like the way that's blending out up there. Why is it doing that? Okay, I'm gonna go in with this shade now. And I'm just gonna sweep that underneath. And I'm not really liking the way that's blending out either. What is going on here? Okay. Very patchy. Very patchy. What in the world? I was really kind of excited about this when I saw it online. But I don't know how we're going to salvage this situation. Really, this is really making me work for my money here. Why is it doing this? It should not be doing this. I mean, okay, I'm gonna go in with this shade now. Okay, that's, I think, a little bit better. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with this guy right here. And I'm just gonna stick that in the middle. And like, honestly, it's not that, just like her other Triochrome palette, it's not that like multi-chromish, honestly. I'm going back in with this shade right here. Right around the corners there. Okay, go into the inner corner with this silver shade. I mean, there's no doubt about it. The shimmer shades are freaking beautiful, but I'm gonna do the other side and we will be back for our final thoughts. All right, you guys, so I am conflicted. I also look like a Natasha Denona alien right now. So I do love this palette. I do. I guess I shouldn't say I love it. I don't think I love it. But there is something about the way this color, even so, all of the rest of the shadows, I would say this one and this one gave me the most issues blending out. However, these shades are pretty special. Like the shade that this is like on the eyes is just like magnetizing. So even though it is a mother to blend out and it's gonna take you, like, this made me work for it. You know what I mean? Like, I love this look. I definitely don't regret buying this palette now, but it made me work. Like, it was hard to blend out. So if you are like somebody that like loves these, I don't know. I don't know, something about Natasha's shadows, like they have just this look on your eyelids. And even though these two shades were problem shades for me, they weren't the easiest to blend out. I do think that this is a very special look, and I do feel like these blues are not quite the same. You know, originally I was thinking, oh, you can get like, you know, I got it for this, but when I was starting to have the problems blending it out, I was like, I can get these blue shades anywhere, but I don't know that I can. Like, there's something special about these blue shades, even with the problems of them blending out. It was patchy, but I think this look really came out nice. So I'm like, I don't know, I'm up in the air, and, you know, maybe a month from now I'll be like, no, don't do it. But I do feel like this is really pretty. I don't think it's a beginner-friendly palette by any means. So if you're hoping to just throw this in your purse and be able to like do it in the car or something, no, you need to be in front of a mirror. You need to be able to blend it out. But I do really love how it looks once you lay it all out. And it took me probably about 20 minutes to blend. So again, I just keep going back and forth in my head. Anyway, I don't even know if this review was very helpful or not. I'm like still like, because at first I was like, I'm going to return it. Now I'm like, I really love these blues. So yeah, I'm sorry. I think that if you're even on the fence, just go out and get it. I think it's only, here's the thing. If this was like a $65 or a $129 palette from her, I would be very weary, but it is only $27, and I really do think that this is really pretty. So that being said, I guess that's my final say on this palette. I'm not a big, and also keep this in mind, I'm not a big fan of her mini palettes to begin with. I only have like a handful. I don't really tend to go out and get the mini palettes. I'd rather just have her bigger palettes. I just feel like for the most part, they're higher quality. However, I don't think these shades are in her other palettes. So that's something to consider as well. If you are a Natasha Denona lover and collector, I don't think she has these blue shades, and in the other palette, I know this one, she does not. And like, I don't know, just look at the vibrance on this blue, and then like, if you were to just use this blue by itself, you might be in some problems. You'd really have to take time to blend it out. But I do feel like all of these build really beautifully upon themselves. You will definitely, like, if you're somebody who loves to wear blue shadow, like, you're going to hit pan on this because it's really easy. You know, inner corner, above the crease, outer corner, inner corner, and crease, and then shimmer. You know what I mean? Like, it's pretty straightforward. It's pretty easy. I don't think you're missing anything. You have the dimension, you have the depth with these 5 shades. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, don't forget to subscribe and tap that bell, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.